Here we've got some pork steaks, just nice and thin pork loin steaks, which we're going to use, and we're going to do a real nice sticky spicy glaze to go on the top. We're going to start off with the marinade. So early in the morning, let's get them marinated up, leave them resting in the fridge with that sticky marinade on them for about 4 or 5 hours, maybe longer if you can, and then we'll start cooking them later on. So we'll start off just by popping those just into a bowl, and then basic ingredients for my marinade. We've got 4 cloves of garlic, 1 whole red chilli chopped up, we've got some honey, tomato ketchup, Worcester sauce, soy sauce, ginger and demerara sugar. We'll start off by cooking off the garlic and the chilies in a spot of oil. Just soften up that garlic, release some flavours into there. We don't want it to be burning, so let's make sure it's not too hot. Got 2 teaspoons of dried ginger, that can go in there. Tablespoon tomato ketchup. Tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Tablespoon of honey. Get that stickiness into it. We've got 80 grams of demerara sugar. All that sugar's dissolved nicely into that. And we've got 150 ml of soy sauce. Just cook that out for about 4 minutes. That's been cooking away for 4 minutes, softened down nicely. Transfer that into a jug. And then with the blick stick, and that's your marinade. That can go straight over the top of that pork. Pop that in the fridge, let that set for a good few hours. The pork now is marinated for a good few hours. It starts to take on all that flavour. It smells incredible, beautiful. I'm going to serve the pork. So we're going to have some sticky pork. I'm going to serve it with some noodles and some char grilled, tender stem and pak choy. We've got 3 pans on at the moment. It's getting nice and warm. One which we're going to use for the vegetables, one for the pork and one for the noodles. You can bring it all together at the same time. Start off by placing the pork in the pan, facing away. Let that cook away. Smell those coming off already. Beautiful flavours. Grab some of that marinade as well. Put that over the top. flavours coming into that pork. This pan's smoking away nicely now, so we can add that choy going in there and our tender stem. A little bit more of that marinade over the top. And then in a far pan, splash a little bit of sesame oil going into there. Noodles. Again, a bit more sticky marinade going in there. Noodles are done. Put half a lime, just going to char on there as well. Just to help to glaze that pan. A little bit of butter in there, just to get that flavour going in there. Now we just start plating it all up nicely. So we've got our veggies. Lovely sticky pork sits on the top of there. A few sesame seeds over the top. And there you have it, sticky pork, char grilled veg and noodles.